Hey, today in Lowe's back aisle, I found some dog beds. These are $63.99 now. They were $99.98. That's a nice little markdown. We had a Spider drill and drive kit, $21.97 down from $39.98, and it's a 15 piece. And they've also got a 106 piece Cobalt bit set, drill and bit set, and that is $19.98 down from $39.98. Nice little markdown. And here's a 7¼ inch flex blade for your circ saw. It's a framing and forming wood blade, $5.97 down from $9.98. And here's a 23 gauge pinwheeler. It's a Bosch kit. It's pneumatic, $84.47 down from $169. That has got to be the deal for today. If you're looking for some cut level gloves, I got these in large and extra large. They're cut level 4s. They're both kinds are $12.98 down from $17.28. Here's a 4-pair set key to like of Master Lock padlocks. These are $44.67 down from $74.48. Nice little markdown. You can have the same lock on your sheds and other places that you might need it, and not have to worry about having 4 different keys.